Hi, this video explains how to deposit INR into your Koinex INR wallet. Log in to your Koinex account and go to the INR wallet under Balances. Set a username and enter your UPI ID. Then enter the bank account details which you want to use for the transactions. Now select Deposit and click on New Deposit Request. Go through the notes to understand the limits for deposits. Now suppose you want to deposit 1 lakh INR, set the deposit listing amount to 1 lakh and click Submit. Now wait for your request to get matched, which might be taking a few minutes. Once matched, the details of the peer will be displayed. You can click on Complete Transaction button to see the UPI ID and bank account details of the peer. You can also chat with the peer to inform about the transaction status. Now make the payment to the UPI ID or bank account provided using net banking, mobile banking or any of the UPI apps. Once the payment is done, mark the payment completed by entering the transaction reference number. Wait for the peer to check and verify the transfer. Your deposit will be completed and the amount will be credited to your INR wallet once the peer marks the payment as received. You can view the details of your deposits by clicking the Completed Request tab. This is how you can deposit INR into your Koinex INR wallet.